Dear Bob, I am in receipt of your email. I spoke with Mr. Jackson and requested his authorization for release of his medical records in order to assist you to procure a cancellation insurance policy for his show. However, authorization was denied. I therefore suggest that someone from AEG should consult kindly with Mr. Jackson as to its relevance, for he is of the opinion that such a policy is already secured in the U.S. As far as the statements of his health published by the press, let me say they're all fallacious to the best of my knowledge. Sincerely, Conrad Murray, sent from my iPhone. Does that accurately reflect the body of that email sent at 11:17:08 a.m.?
Yes, it does.
And were you able to confirm that that email was actually not only typed but sent from the iPhone?
Yes, I was.
Okay, and as part of that, the actual email where it automatically puts in the signature sent from my iPhone?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Additionally, did you find a screenshot that indicated the individual was using the iPhone keypad to write and send that email?
I did.
I have that screenshot, Your Honor. May that one-page document be marked Peoples 92 for identification?
I think we're up to 93 at this juncture.
93, please.
Did I make a mistake? Or? Thank you. 93.
Showing you, sir, Peoples 93. And again, I'm going to zoom out of that document. Do you recognize that as a screenshot recovered from Conrad Murray's iPhone?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And this shows the same body of the email indicating at the very top, Dear Bob, I'm in receipt of your email. And it goes on just as the email I read a few moments ago?
I'm sorry, that's correct.
Okay. And this screenshot actually shows the keypad reflecting that someone's actually using the keypad on the iPhone to write this email and send it at 11:17 a.m.?
Yes.
Sir, did you also locate on the iPhone a voicemail recording that you were able to timestamp for the date of June 20th, 2009?
Yes, I did.
And in that voicemail recording, did the speaker leaving that voicemail identify themselves as Frank DeLeo?
Yes.
Okay. And I have an audio recording as well as an accompanying transcript. May the audio recording be marked Peoples 94 for identification?
Marked.
And the accompanying transcript be marked Peoples 95, Your Honor?
Marked. Mr. Chernoff, have you and your colleagues heard and seen?
I haven't seen the transcript, but we have heard this.
Is there any objection to publishing?
No objection.
Is that your intent, Mr. Walgren?
It is, Your Honor. I'm getting the transcripts.
All right, thank you. May it be stipulated that Mrs. Theodoro need not transcribe Mr. Walgren?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chernoff?
Yes.
It's accepted. Ladies and gentlemen, each one of you in a few moments will receive your own personal copy of an exhibit marked Peoples 95. Same procedure as before. When you get it, put a P95 on it and put your seat number and circle it. So that'll be Peoples 95 and your seat number. And as before, the actual evidence is Peoples 94, the recording. Peoples 95 is a transcript. If you happen to hear something differently, rely upon your own individual determination. This is Peoples 95, ladies and gentlemen.
Mr. Murray, it's Frank DeLeo, Michael's manager. I'm the short guy with no hair. Would you please call me at 213-304-9110. I'm sure you're aware he had an episode last night. He's sick. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow I'm on my way back. I'm not going to continue my trip. I think you need to get a blood test on him today. We got to see what he's doing. All right, thank you.
That concludes the playing of Peoples 94.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. Marx, is that the audio voicemail recording you found on Conrad Murray's iPhone?
Yes, it is.
And you indicated you were able to timestamp that voicemail recording as being left on June 20th, 2009?
That's right.
Were you able to get any more specific as far as not only the date, but a time that the iPhone revealed that voicemail recording had been left?
Yes, I was.
What time was that iPhone recording left?
I'd have to refer to my notes.
Okay, do you have those with you?
I have them.
May the witness step down and retrieve his notes, Your Honor?
Please. And the witness is returned.
Did you have an opportunity to review your notes?
Yes, I did.
And according to your forensic analysis, at what time was that voicemail recording left on June 20th, 2009?
That was 7:48 a.m. Pacific time.
Now, in your analysis of the iPhone, did you additionally find on that iPhone an application called iTalk?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And is that essentially a digital voice recording application?
Yes, it is.
And that when activated allows the iPhone to serve essentially as a digital voice recorder?
That's correct.
Okay. And did you reference a specific recording from Dr. Murray's iPhone with a time and date stamp of May 10th, 2009 at 9:05 a.m.?
Yes, I did.
And how were you able to determine the date of May 10th, 2009 and the time of 9:05 a.m.?
The application that created the recording named the file with the date and timestamp. In addition, the metadata for the file, that is the time that it was actually created on the media, was matched exactly to that, which is the May 20th at 9:05 a.m.
May 10th,
I'm sorry, May 10th.
2009 at 9:05 a.m.?
That's correct.
Okay.
Those two dates matched exactly.
Both the file name that is automatically created as well as the metadata that shows
When the file was written, I'm sorry, when the file was written to the drive.
okay, thank you. Your Honor, I have a copy of the recording just referenced of May 10th, 2009 at 9:05 a.m. May that audio recording be marked Peoples 96 for identification.
Marked.
I also have an accompanying transcript. May that transcript be marked Peoples 97 for identification.
Yes. Mr. Chernoff, have you and your colleagues heard the exhibit and read the transcript?
We've heard it, and on opening we heard it. We just haven't seen the transcript.
People's 97, the transcript is a guide. You make up your mind what you hear from People's 96 and follow that determination. Use People's 97 only as a guide.
May we have the lights dim, Your Honor?
You may.
May I not?
You may.
We have to be found. When people leave the show, when people leave my show, I want to say, I've never seen nothing like this in my life. Go. I've never seen nothing like this. Go. It's amazing. He's the greatest entertainer in the world. I'm taking that money. I'm really children's the biggest in the world. Why do we have to take the time to it? You have a movie theater, game room, children, and depression. the in-house hospitals, the game room, the movie theater. They're sick because they're depressed. Their mind is depressing them. I want to give them that. I care about them. Number 8 is God wants me to do it. God wants me to do it. I'm gonna do it, Conrad.
I know you would.
We have the hope. No hope. That's the next generation that's gonna save our planet. I'm starting with we'll talk about the United States. Europe, frogs, and babies. They walk around. No mother, they drop them off. They leave the psychological degradation of that. And they reach out to me. Please take me with you. I want to do that for them. I'm going to do that for them. And that will be remembered more than my performances. My performances will be up there helping my children. It's always been my dream. I love them. And I love them because I didn't have a childhood. I had no childhood. I feel their pain. I feel their hurt. I can deal with it. Heal the world. We are the world. Will you be there? The lost children. These are the songs I've written because I hurt, you know? I hurt.
Okay.
That concludes the playing of People's 96.
Sir, is that the recording that you recovered from Conrad Murray's iPhone and date and timestamp as May 10th, 2009 at 9:05 in the morning?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. I have nothing further, Your Honor.
Mr. Walgren, thank you. Cross-examination by the defense. Mr. Gorgian.
Mr. Marx, good morning.
Good morning.
The recording that we just heard, you indicated that was recorded on May 10th of 2009, correct?
That's correct.
And are you aware May 10th, 2009 fell on a Sunday?
No, I'm not.
Your Honor, may I ask the court to take judicial notice pursuant to Evidence Code 452H that May 10th, 2009 was a Sunday?
I don't have a calendar. I don't know if the people are prepared to say that that's something of which I should take judicial notice.
Not at this moment. I'm not saying we may reach agreement, but
I'll proceed on your good faith, and I'll be addressing that in just a moment, but I'll allow you to proceed on that basis, Mr. Gorgian.
Thank you, Your Honor.